Love here with Cross Country Mortgage. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and I am talking about renovation loans today. One of the questions I've been getting a lot this week is, what is a renovation loan and how does it work? A renovation loan is a loan where you can get additional funds to do home improvements. So let's say that you are pre-approved for $500,000 and you find a home that needs some TLC, some tender loving care with upgrades, repairs, cosmetic changes, whatever the case may be. You could potentially have $50,000 to improve upon that home. That would then make the home exactly what you want it, and it would be a great thing. That is basically how renovation loans work. Now, a couple of things to know about renovation loans is the interest rate is a little bit higher, but the strategy on that would be get into the home, do the improvements, and then refinance 6 or more months after that takes place. Great strategy, definitely something that you have to have some imagination with. So when you're out there looking and maybe a house doesn't quite fit what you're looking for, think about what it could be instead of what it is right now. If you have any questions about this loan or any loan specifically, please reach out 951-704-7421. Bye.